Summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Time to sit back and unwind. Hey Faves, welcome back. It is Living for the City. I am Sharice, and you know what time it is. It is time for our monthly unboxing of our subscriptions. And so, if you are new here, welcome. This is what we do once a month. We have a self-care Sunday evening, and we unbox our monthly subscription boxes, our beauty boxes, and we talk a little bit about this, we talk about a little bit about that, but it's mostly about skincare and taking care of ourselves, especially during this quarantine period. You know, it really is a perfect time to really just take care of yourself. And so I said, I think in my last video, like, if nothing else, I'm gonna leave this quarantine with some baby soft skin, okay? If nothing else. Hence the flavor of the month. This month, our mask is by Dr. Althea Pro Lab. And this is a natural brightening velvet mask. And let me just tell you, if you are not new and you're one of the regular Philly faves, then you know that I swear at this point by Huxley's masks, which is right here. We're gonna talk about those in a second. I feel like that was the best mask I'd ever had in my life, aside from like going to my esthetician to have her do a facial mask on me that she's actually making right there in front of me. Huxley, I swear, was like the best. This runs a very close second, I'm gonna be honest with you. And I think it has to do with the texture of the actual mask itself. So this is again, a natural brightening velvet mask, and it is supposed to gently deliver brightening effects to the skin with natural components. There are some key ingredients in this that I cannot pronounce, but I looked them all up first before I bought this, and it was all natural ingredients. And so I'm gonna show this to you because it's another K-Beauty product. And so, although Dr. Althea doesn't sound Korean, I sound like a sister. Anyway, but here's the mask itself. So this, it feels good. It really does feel good. You have to put this on after you tone. You take it out of the pouch here, you put it on your face, and you use it for 20 to 30 minutes, which is nice because you know me, I'll leave this thing on all day. So this is one of the longer ones, which I like. I don't really like the 10-minute ones. I feel like they don't work. I mean, it could just be me. Who knows? Anyway, so speaking of self-care, K-Beauty, and taking care of your skin with all natural ingredients, as you know, we always do our monthly birchbox. But I was looking for something online. I forgot what I was looking for, and Kinder beauty box came up. And so I was like, tell me more. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, clean beauty products. That's all they do. That is all that they do at Kinder Beauty Box. And so I did my research on them. A lot of people love them. It's one of the other boxes that you really don't hear about as often. It's not like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. It really is about, again, taking care of yourself, taking care of your skin in an all natural, healthy way. And so I'm all about that, as you know. It reminds me of Black and Green, which, you know, I swear by as well. I love them as well. And so I got a Kinder box, and I want to open it with you as well. I want to be able to do all of this in one video. I'm not sure that's gonna happen, faves, because we have to get through 2 boxes, and since it is now summer, I want to talk about some of my all-time summer favorites that I'm going to be using this summer. Happy first day of summer! Summer, summer, summertime, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Time to sit back and unwind. Who knows that song? Okay, first person in the comments that can tell me who sings that song wins. Summer, summer, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Time to sit back and unwind. Who sang this song? Beat Shazam. Okay, so let's get into it. Contrary to popular opinion, we are going to have a summer, faves. I mean, seriously. Listen, I know everything is shut down still, but things are slowly opening back up. So we're gonna have a summer, and so we need to get ready. Okay, we need to get ready because you don't want to be caught out here looking all bad, feeling bad because you're not taking care of your skin because you've been cooped up in the house for the last 3 months for COVID-19. Oh, almost dropped it. Okay, here is my birch. Oh, it looks like summer. It looks like summer, and it matches my nails. Look at that. This is the Birchbox for, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. What is in here? I did pick this month. How come I can never remember what I pick in my freaking Birchboxes? I don't understand that. This is the box. It is so cute. Bright yellow, perfect for summertime. And let's open it. Ooh. Everybody needs you time. Indulge a little, of course. So on the front of the card, obviously it gives you always a little Birchbox tips. This is Birchbox tip number 148. And then inside of the box. And so here is my box. Oh God, I hope everything doesn't fall out. There's so much stuff in here. Okay. Some of these items I know I have already. But a couple of these items, like I really just wanted to try. So first up is the Chachatint lip and cheek stain. Okay. And I actually have this product already, I'll be honest. I love a lip tint and a lip stain. I don't know if anybody else does. Anybody else love a lip tint and a lip stain? Because I mean, I feel like they work better than, and I think I've said this before, I feel like they work better than lipsticks on my lips. And they last longer. But here is the Chachatint lip and cheek stain. Oh yeah. So it's like a little, so you can see what type of, see that. And so I'm gonna swatch it. And so see that it's like it's very light, and I actually have this color. So it's a very light color. And so it'll stain the lips. It stains it like the perfect amount of color on there. And so, oh, I should probably read the thing to you, sorry. It says, this is a multitasking sheer tint. It gives lips and cheeks a natural flush and lasts throughout the day. It literally does. Subtle mango shade is perfect for summer. A little goes a long way. Start with one dot and then you pat your finger to blend it out. And so it really is nice. It's not too sticky at all. And I actually do love this color. So I don't mind getting this one again. The one that I have is giant, and so I can't like take it with me. You know what I mean? So once I put it on for the day, although it doesn't wear off as quickly as lipsticks do, if I wanted to reapply, I can't because it's here. So I'm excited to get this one. Next is by Love of Color. It is a one and done shadow stick in Champagne Problems. It's a waterproof shadow stick, and it gives up to 11 hours of creaseless color. Yeah, that's interesting. So that's that. You sweep it across your lids with the top and tap it with your finger to blend it out. I actually have a couple of these already by Love of Color, and I love them. I absolutely love these products. They are perfect on the go. You can throw them in your makeup bag and throw them in your purse and be out. Next up is by Oribe. It's a dry shampoo and part texturizer. So it quickly absorbs oil and gives your hair body, bounce, and texture. You spray it 45 inches from your roots and then you toss it to, I don't use dry shampoo. Maybe I should use them more often because I probably could use them with a protective style. So I don't know, maybe I'll try this. Dry shampoo by Oribe. I'll try this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but we'll see. I'm actually going to do a giveaway. And so some things like that, hair care products that I get from Birchbox that I'm just going to give away. So I don't know. Next up is by Byroe. It's a rice cleansing sorbet. So this is a Luxe Oil Balm hybrid. Quickly dissolves stubborn makeup sunscreen without stripping your skin and leaves you clean. smooth and radiant without any greasy residue. You apply it to your dry skin and then you rinse it off with water. So this is a rice cleansing sorbet. So it's like an cleansing balm, which is nice. Well, actually it's not a balm, it's a sorbet. So this sounds luxurious. Can't wait to try this one. I am really into cleansing balms right now. Last but not least is by Alterna. It's a My Hair, My Canvas New Beginning Exfoliating Cleanser. Well, this is interesting. Save time with this multitasking exfoliating cleanser that works for your hair and body. It gently exfoliates away the impurities, dirt, and odor to give you a clean slate. You lather onto your scalp and your body, and then you rinse it thoroughly. I'm excited to try this one. My Hair, My Canvas Exfoliating Cleanser. I'm gonna smell it. Let's see. It's very light. I'm not sure what it smells like. It's a very light fragrance, but I like it. It's made with botanical caviar. So I'm excited about all of these, to try these, and I will let you know how they do. Last month in Birchbox, we got something that I wanted to share again with you today, because a couple of you in my video last month in the comment section, you asked me about this St. Jane CBD serum. And so I got this in last month's Birchbox. But I've used it. It comes in this, it came in this like little dropper, okay? And so, again, this is by St. Jane. It is a CBD serum, CBD oil serum. Let me just read it for you again. It is a luxurious serum packed with 500 milligrams of CBD plus 20 potent botanicals, calms, soothes, and boosts your skin's natural radiance. After you cleanse it, you gently pat it onto the skin. The full size of this is $125. So $125. 500 milligrams of CBD. This is 500 milligrams. Let's see. Oh, this is 50. I was about to say, what the? Okay, so this is 50 in here, milligrams. It's like they just put straight weed in here. Let's ride, get out. So anyway, I tried this for a few days. I've been trying this actually since I got it. Like once a week I may pat it onto the skin. I try and use serums. I don't use serums like daily, right? So you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to use a serum every day. It's like a moisturizer. They're completely different. So you shouldn't be using a serum every single day. So I think I've used this maybe in the last month, maybe 3 or 4 times, right? If that. So I have to tell you though, so I patted it onto the skin, and obviously some just, you just use your fingertips and you kind of pat it throughout or whatever. I swear it smells like marijuana. I mean, it smells like straight up weed. Like it smells like marijuana to me. Let's ride, get out. It smells like marijuana. You know, every serum is different, and so I thought this one would, I don't know, just from the look of it and just from the sound of it, when I think of serum, I automatically think with this dropper that it was gonna be like smooth, but it wasn't. It was kind of, it had a little bit of texture to it. It felt like something was in it. It wasn't like an exfoliant or anything like that, but you could feel something was in it, so it wasn't completely silky smooth. And I think I said this before, like I need to do my research on what CBD does for skin. You know, it's supposed to, you know, utilize your natural radiance and kind of enhance that. So maybe that's what it does. But I haven't done all of my research on CBD and skincare. So, I mean, I have some work to do there, but I mean, it was a very different product, but I wanted to share with you, since a couple of you asked in the last video, how this was going to be. I'm just letting you know, I used it a couple times already, and I'm going to continue to use it. I was like, did I sleep good that night? Anyway, I'll link some of their information below for you. Summer's here, and so I know that, you know, contrary to popular opinion, we were going to have a summer. We really are phased. Like, we're going to have a summer. It may not be, or not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. And then if you're not following me on Instagram, feel free to do so at living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that's it, babe. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.